Welcome back to Simply Good Health. Today we're diving into a mineral your body absolutely loves but probably doesn't get enough of: potassium. This powerhouse nutrient is a game changer for your heart, muscles, and even your brain. Stick around to find out why potassium is crucial and the best ways to get your daily dose. Potassium does a lot of heavy lifting in your body. It helps regulate blood pressure, keeps your muscles contracting properly, and even supports healthy nerve function. Plus, it balances fluids in your cells, which is essential for staying hydrated. Here's a surprising fact: most people aren't getting enough potassium, and that can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and even high blood pressure. So, how much do you actually need? According to health experts, adults should aim for about 2,600 milligrams per day for women, and 3,400 milligrams per day for men. Kids and teens need less, but it's still crucial to include potassium-rich foods in their diets as they grow. Now, let's talk about something really important: potassium's relationship with sodium. These two minerals work together to maintain fluid balance and support heart health. Unfortunately, many people consume too much sodium and not enough potassium, which can throw off this balance and increase the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. A great way to restore the balance? Cut back on processed foods, which tend to be high in sodium, and load up on whole, potassium-rich foods. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients is a simple yet effective strategy. Also, adding herbs and spices instead of salt to season your meals can make a big difference. By being mindful of both potassium and sodium intake, you'll support your heart and overall well-being much more effectively. Another simple habit? Drinking more water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys maintain proper potassium levels and flush out excess sodium, keeping everything in balance. By being mindful of both potassium and sodium intake, you'll support your heart and overall well-being much more effectively. The good news? You don't need fancy supplements to hit your potassium goals. Nature's got you covered. Bananas are the classic potassium-packed snack, with around 400 milligrams per medium banana. Sweet potatoes deliver a hefty dose, with over 500 milligrams per cup. Spinach? Just 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you nearly 800 milligrams. Avocados, oranges, and even beans are also excellent sources. Pro tip: mix and match these foods throughout the day to easily meet your potassium needs. A potassium deficiency can sneak up on you. Signs like muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heartbeats could mean you're falling short. But by focusing on a balanced diet rich in whole, plant-based foods, you can keep your potassium levels on point and your body thriving. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video from Simply Good Health. And hey, why stop here? Check out our other videos for more simple tips to keep you feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.